Alright, so we're going to be doing the next one in Rainbow. Yes, icon! $87 rated Zola. Open. Yeah, it's gonna be a walkout. Spin. Chelsea. Spa. 89 rated Marcus on Marcos on Lonzo. Special plus tots. I never get a team of the season out of this. Team of the week. Next one's gonna be team of the week. Team of the week. And the next one is gonna be bad. Oh, wants to watch, not walk out there. Alright, special plus. So you're gonna see that. What is it? Foot after Van Dyke. 89 rated. Another one. Team of the week, not walkout. Come on. Team of the week. Never get a team of the year out with these, but oh my, why did I think that was a team of the year? At least give me a walkout or something, please. No, 2 more. Come on. At least give me something good. Alright, I'm gonna do a notebook for the last one. Alright. Alright. I guess I'll open the special packs even though I'm getting out from them. Only team of the weeks, if you saw last video. Come on. Team of the week. At least just give me a team of the week walkout if you're gonna give me a team of the week. No, look. Oh, I wants to watch. Oh, put it in a walkout. Team of the season. Last time we got team of the season, but is it gonna be team of the season? Yes, it is! Let's go! Come on. I don't know. 93 rated. Let's go. That was so worth it. Alright, now we're gonna do all of them. I don't know why these are so much better than the team of the season plus special ones. Like 2 walkouts. Come on, why not? I don't know that country. Come on, 90 rated, I think. No, 88. Handon knowledge. Okay, another one. 3, 2, 1. So, come on, another team of the season on the last one. Okay. Alright, at least we got on, like last time we got a team of the season on the first one. And now we have as well, like, that was a good thing, you know.